Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. This is Ali from Khammam city of Telangana state, and in this video we will discuss how to do add key programming for Renault Lodge 2017 model whose ID is 4A. In our DP5 we have so many options to do our key programming. So for this particular vehicle we can do our key programming by entering into the option of Lodge, and we may also try to do our key programming for this particular Lodge vehicle in other options such as Duster, Quid and Triber. Why? Because all these vehicles are having ID 4A from 2015. For this vehicle we should use ID 4A special whose KMD number is 998, and also we can use ID 4A special whose KMD number is 985. If we need remote along with the ID, then we can use this remote whose KMD number is 1079 hash. And finally we have flip type remote along with ID whose KMD number is 1299 hash. So this is our DP5. Just to go for agree, and here go for immobilizer and all, and then go for Renault India, so Renault in, so select the Renault India option, and then latest version 31.05, and now initializing. VCI is upgrading, vehicle communication interface is upgrading, loading, initializing, here authorizing, and in this one we have to select program keys, the second one, and then press enter. And here we got Quid, Laguna, Latitude, Lodge, Logan. So our vehicle is Lodge vehicle, that's why go for Lodge and press enter. Here go for type 2 option, then go for without pin. Now go for add key option, and here we should go for program keys. Here the tool says this function is available by connecting the server. Please ensure that the internet connection is normal. That means we have to connect our tool, our DP5 to the internet through the Wi-Fi connection. So connect the Wi-Fi connection and press enter. Now the tool is connecting the server and it's communicating, and now the tool says this function may need to write configuration data into the MOECU. There may be a black screen status during operation. It's normal. It may take about 90 minutes to complete the entire process. Make sure that the battery is fully charged. Do not perform any operation during communication. Do not disconnect the OBD diagnostic connector. So here while we are doing the key programming, we should not do any other operations in our DP5 or in our vehicle. So we have to follow the instructions very strictly, and now press the enter key. Here the tool says you must use a working key to turn on the ignition. Do you want to continue? Yes. So here press enter. That means the tool says we should turn on the ignition with the original key. Here the tool says switch ignition on. We have to turn on the ignition with the original key, and then press the enter. Now the tool says switch ignition off. Press enter. Then again the tool says switch ignition on. So we have to switch. We have to turn on the ignition with the original key and then press enter. Communicating, logging in. So the tool is logging in. So here the tool says reading flash. At this time the headlight may be always on, which is normal. That means here our tool is reading the flash data from the ECU, and at the time of reading the flash data our vehicle's headlight will be on, and that is the normal condition, no need to worry. And this process will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Now please enter a file name to save. We have to give a file name, and then we should press enter to save the flash data. Now press enter. Input value Lodge flash, enter. Logging in. So this may take a few minutes for logging in. And now erasing flash. Remember not to do any operation and do not disconnect the OBD diagnostic connector. So here we should not do any more operations with the DP5 and with the in the vehicle, and also we should not disconnect the OBD connector. And now the tool says this function is available by connecting the server. Please ensure that the internet connection is normal. Okay, press enter here. We have to give good internet connection here. And now press enter. So here erasing flash, that means the tool is erasing the flash data. So at this time the tool says remember not to do any operation and do not disconnect the OBD diagnostic connector. So at this position also we should not do any operation in our vehicle. We have to follow the instructions very strictly. So here writing flash, the tool says remember not to do any operation and do not disconnect the OBD diagnostic connector. Again also we should not do any operation in the vehicle, and also with the tool we should not do any operation. So we have to follow the instructions very strictly. And this writing flash procedure will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Now reading pin code procedure. At this time the headlight may be always on, which is normal. So the tool says when the tool is reading the pin code, then the headlights of the vehicle will be on. So we should not worry about that. That is the normal condition. So we should go further, and here the tool is reading the pin code. It's reading the pin code. This total work is online. And the tool says switch ignition off. We have to turn off the ignition, press enter. So here we got the pin code of 32 digit. We got the pin code 32 digit. Now press enter key. And now the tool says all existing keys of the current vehicle will be erased. So all the previous keys will be cleared now. If you need to keep the currently existing keys, reprogram it. Maximum 4 keys can be programmed, and the remote is automatically generated after the key programming is complete. Do you want to continue? Yes. Press the enter key. So in this one, here the tool says if we program the transponder, then automatically the remote will be matched. So here we should press enter. And also the tool says to use our previous keys we have to reprogram it. Press enter. Switch ignition on. So we should turn on the ignition and then press enter. Now the tool says switch ignition off. So turn off the ignition and press enter. Current number of keys 1. Okay, now press enter. Enter a 32-digit pin code. So the tool automatically takes the 32-digit pin code. Input value. So insert a working key to turn on the ignition. So we have to turn on the ignition with the original key and then press enter. Now communicating. The tool is communicating with the vehicle. And here the tool says the current key is programmed successfully. Do you want to program the next key? So here the original key is programmed successfully, and here we want to program our second key. That's why we should press enter. And now insert the key to be programmed and turn on the ignition. So we have to turn on the ignition with our new key, with our second key, and then press enter. Now the tool is communicating. The tool is communicating with the vehicle, and the current key is programmed successfully. Do you want to program the next one? So here our second key is also programmed successfully. And do you want to program the next one? No, I don't want to program the third key. That's why I am pressing escape here. Already I programmed the two keys. That's why I am pressing escape here. Switch ignition off. So we turn off the ignition, communicating. Current number of keys 2. Okay, 2 keys successfully programmed. Enter. Learn complete. So here by our KMD DP5 we successfully programmed the second key for our Renault Logi, whose ID is 4A. Thank you. So this is the actual vehicle, Renault Logi, at my shop. Logi.
ఇక ఒరిజినల్ బ్రదర్ చెప్పాక నీకు కావాలి మామూలు కూడా రావు నీకు కావాలి లైట్ అవుతున్నాయిగా.
This is me only at the vehicle, Renault Logi 2017 model.